What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where we get the new Riviera collection from Bentley Mulliner. And yeah, it's that luxurious. Bentley is celebrating the yachting industry these days with the introduction of the new Riviera collection by Mulliner. And based on the Continental GT convertible, or GTC, the nautical themed models are only available through Bentley Monaco because that's where the money is, obviously. Well, the elite hub of luxurious Mediterranean sailing, in the company's own words. So, boasting handcrafted details signed by Mulliner, whose roots date back to the 1500s when they used the luxurious horse-drawn carriages, the special accents are said to reflect the exclusive character of the French Riviera, which is home to the Monaco Yacht Show every summer. Now, the cars are available in 3 bespoke colors for local customers, named Aegean Blue, Aquamarine, and Caribbean Blue, which mirror the shades of the Mediterranean Sea. Now, according to the British luxury car firm, the paintwork extends to the carbon fiber body kit and lip spoiler. And since these are Bentleys, they offer unparalleled levels of luxury and cutting-edge technology inside. Their cabins are bedecked by accents inspired by the world of sailing. Marine knot logos are on the headrest. Unique tread plates, linen hide, and Alcantara trim are some of the highlights here. And adding to the nautical theme is the unique color split. And hide Riviera key cases are part of the special looks. Now, curious on how a Continental GT convertible Riviera collection by Mulliner costs? Well, I am too. You have to get a hold of Bentley in order to get an allocation and spec one out yourself. So that is to be remain unknown, but I'm sure it's a pretty penny. But in this case, if money was no option, which color would you choose in your Riviera Bentley Mulliner? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the Continental GT convertible Riviera collection by Bentley. And with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos. It doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.